and welcome. Another day, another lesson. Hello, my name is Desiree Ann A, and welcome to another day of learning science with me. Let us start with the continuation about force. In the previous video, we learned about force and its types, which are the balanced forces and unbalanced forces. Today, we will proceed to net force. What is net force? It is the combination of all the forces that act upon an object. But how do you determine the net force? Let us have these examples. In example number 1, when forces are going the same direction, either to the left, right, up, or down. In the sample given, we have a pile of books with forces of 5 newtons to the left and 25 newtons to the left. Both forces are going to the same direction, which is the left. In order to find the net force, we will add these forces. Net force is equal to 5 newtons plus 25 newtons, a total of 13 newtons. Again, they are going to the same direction. That's why we added these forces. Therefore, in this given, our net force is 13 newtons to the left. We can conclude that the net force are not equal, so it is unbalanced. Let us try another example. What are the forces that act upon this pile of books? If you answer 10 newtons to the right and 10 newtons to the right, then you are correct. Since they are going to the right, so we have to add these forces. What is the net force? Net force is equal to 10 newtons plus 10 newtons equals 20 newtons to the right. Again, the forces are not equal, therefore it's unbalanced. In example number 3, we have 15 newtons to the right and 10 newtons to the left. What should we do if the forces are going to the opposite direction? Since they are opposing each other, we'll have to subtract. Net force is equal to 15 newtons minus 10 newtons. It is equal to 5 newtons to the right. Again, it is unbalanced. In example number 4, we have 3 forces acting upon the pile of books. 50 newtons to the right, 15 newtons to the right, and 100 newtons to the left. We have to add first those forces that are going to the same direction. Net force is equal to 50 newtons plus 50 newtons and then minus 100 newtons. 50 newtons plus 50 newtons is equal to 100 newtons. After adding the two forces going to the right, we can subtract it to the 100 newtons going to the left. 100 newtons minus 100 newtons equals 0 newton. To increase the difficulty, we have forces acting upon the object. I'm going to start with my top and bottom arrows. 5 newtons minus 5 newtons equals 0 newtons. My left and right arrow will also result to 0 newtons because they are going to the opposite direction. 5 newtons minus 5 newtons equals 0 newtons. Forces are therefore balanced. That's it for today. Again, please always remember to protect each other and be kind. Take care and peace out. May the force be with you.